In this video, I'm going to show you how to check in online for Japan Airlines. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to jal.com, which is basically their official website. And then here, you of course must select to which site of them you want to go to. I'm going to go to the US site right now, and I'm going to open it up in English like that. There we go. And then here to actually check in online, click on the check-in button up top over here. And then you want to click on online check-in, but make sure you read this because this is only possible from 24 hours to 60 minutes, so 1 hour to the departure, okay? And after you read that, click on online check-in, and it's going to take you to a separate page over here where basically you can go ahead and first set in your identification type. So the booking reference, you can go ahead and select either booking reference or e-ticket number. Then here you then have to put in either your booking reference or e-ticket number, your departure date, your family name, your given names, and then your airline code as well as the flight number. After that, press continue. There's going to be a few more steps that are very easy. Basically just go through those and then you'll be able to basically do your check-in. In case you made a mistake, just click on restart check-in at the very top and it's going to restart that for you, and then you're going to be able to start from the beginning again. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.